Hello friends and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this part in SolidWorks in a very simple way following this sketch. So let's start. First we'll have to open a sketch, the top plane. Here we'll have to make a corner rectangle. Now let's dimension this. Here will be 2 millimeters and this side will have 4. Okay, now let's make a center line. Let's make 2 circles on this center line. Select both of them and then make equal. Now let's dimension them. We have the dimension of 0.75 millimeters. And the dimension from this center point to this line will be 1, and here the same. Now go to features, extruded boss base, and here will be 3.25. Now select this face, open a sketch, normal 2, and here we'll have to make 2 circles. Select and make them equal, and then give them the dimension of 1. Now go to features, extruded cut, and here put 0.5 and press OK. Okay, now select this face again, open another sketch, normal 2, and here we'll have to make the next sketch. Let's dimension this. Here will be 3.29. Let's make a center line from the middle of this line to the middle of this line. Now select this center line and select here make horizontal. Now the dimension from this line to this line will be 1.75. Now let's make 2 circles. With the dimension of 0.63. Make them equal. Now the dimension from this center point to this center line will be 1, and here will be the same 1. Okay, and from this center point to this line will be 1.13. And now select this center point and this one and select here make vertical. Okay, now go to features, extruded boss base. Here select reverse direction and here select offset from surface. Select this surface and here put 1.75. And press OK. Perfect. Now select this face again, open another sketch, normal 2. Here make a center line from the middle of this edge. Now we'll make a circle here, actually 2. This one will have the diameter of 1.75 and this one will have it 0.94, and the dimension from this point to this line will be 2. Nice. Now select line and make a line from this edge to this circle, and then use mirror to mirror this line, and at mirror about select this center line. Now the dimension from this line to this line will be 0.88. Now use trim entities to cut this part of the circle, and use line to close this sketch. Now go to features, extruded boss base. Here select reverse direction, and then select offset from surface. Select this surface, and here select 0.63. Okay, press OK. Now select this face and open a sketch, normal tool, and here make this rectangle first. Give here the dimension of 0.88. Nice, and then here make this sketch, and here give the dimension of 2. Okay, and be sure these 2 points to be coincident. Now go to features, extruded cut, and here select through all. And this part is done. Right click on it, go to appearance, body, and select the color you want this part to be, and then press OK. Right click on this inner face, go to appearance, select here face, then select all of them, and choose another color. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video, where I'm gonna show you how to make another easy part in another easy way. Thank you. See you there.